I'm Dr. Louis Perrin-Jakay. Some people call me PJ. And I'm in the Nuba Mountains of Sudan. I'm fortunate enough to have found a community that can really make good use of my own money as a donation, and I can come here in person to meet with the people that are using it. This particular room full of medicine is about 1/4 of the medicine that we send. We're hoping to continue that for at least 5 years, so there's a little more stability as they develop their peace agreements with the North, and then other larger organizations can come in. But right now there's huge gaps that just our tiny organization can make a big difference. And the Sudan Relief Fund helps with a lot of the logistics.